Hey guys, it's me Shreya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY Mother's Day card. Before we start this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends and family. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, before we start this video, I just want to say a speech to all the mothers out there. So pause this video, show this part to your mother. So now you can pause this video and just show this to your mother. If you're a kid or a teen, just call your mother, sit near her and tell her to see this part. Thank you to all the mothers who gave birth to us. Thank you for feeding us. Thank you for giving all the things we asked for. Thank you for giving us food and clothes. And thank you for sharing your love with us. Thank you for giving birth to us. If you did not give birth to us, we would have not existed. Thank you for everything. Happy Mother's Day. This is a thank you for everything speech, or like a small thing I want to say to all the mothers. So thank you for everything. Without you, nothing will happen. You are so special. So this is a small speech about you. So thank you so much. Let's go to the materials we'll need. Alright guys, so the materials you will need are scissors. Then you will need some gel crayons. I got mine from Maped. If you don't have like mine, you can use normal crayons. Or if you are not uncomfortable with the crayons, I prefer using color pencils. Then you will need your sketch pens, and then you will need an A4 size paper or a color paper. Then you will need stickers. Here I am using stickers not about heart, not about moms, not about flowers, not about thank yous, not about all the cool things. I am going to make my card little fun. So as I was saying, I wanted my card to be a little special and more adventurous. So that's why instead of those I love you stickers, I like to make it funny. So I thought of taking stickers which is not even related to Mother's Day. So here I have, these are the stickers I found. These are like sea animals and fishes stickers. And these are the ones I have chosen. The small ones. These are the ones I have chosen. So if you have any stickers, like emoji stickers, googly eye stickers, pop out stickers, or any stickers which is not related to mothers, hearts, flowers, please, I prefer you guys to choose that. Last and final, you need to have these things. This is like the craft. Whenever you buy craft, when you get crafts from school, you have these small stuff like googly eyes, buttons, like these sequins kind of, these, then this thermocol, balls, stars. So if you have any crafts like that, you can use. And also if you don't have anything that I have, you can use all the craft supplies you have already for making this card. And almost forgot, you have to take something which is purple in color. And yes, this is a purple butterfly. This is going to be related in one of my coming up video. Yes, and one more thing, I'll be posting my videos. I think after like I'll try my best to post videos as fast as quickly, because I know you guys are waiting for my new videos. But this over here is going to be related to my next video. So you need to have something purple. So my favorite color is purple, so I choose something purple. Choose something your mother or your favorite color is, and items of that, something crafty. Alright, so the first thing is you need to fold your A4 size paper. After folding, you'll get something like this. Alright guys, so once you finish folding, when you open the paper, you will get something like this. I'm sitting like towards here and the camera is like showing towards here. So I'm showing so far. So this is what you get when you open and fold the paper. And the next step is, with the help of the scissors, you have to make a curvy line like this. You can make like from here, you can make this till here and then cut it out. Alright guys, I prefer a pencil to draw and sketch it before I cut it. So I'm going to draw it and I'll cut it and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is my sketch. I have actually made it equal size. So now I am taking only one page. Remember, here you have to only cut this page, not both the pages. So you need to take one separately, and I have made the drawing, so I need to cut this page only. And after cutting, I will not get this part, I'll only be getting this much part. So I'll see you once it's finished. Alright guys, after cutting you'll get something like this. So please make sure that you need to cut only the half of the part. This is what I got, the other half is this. Only cut one side, and this is what I get after cutting that side. If you want, you can make it like mine. This part can be little big and this part can be little bit small, or if you want, you can go even further and like go till here. So this part will be little smaller and this wide opened part will be bigger. And next step is you will need to color with your color pencils or like my crayons, all these crayons. Alright guys, so for this coloring part, when you are going to color, please choose a color which your mom likes. My mother's favorite color is green, so I'm going to choose a dark green and a light green. And to give it little nice bright, I like to add some yellow, orange, or maybe brown or red. Alright, these are the three colors I've chosen: yellow, dark green and light green. This is what you see. This now not nothing is there. Just see. Alright, let's go on coloring. Okay, the camera is moving. Okay, this is dark green. It's camouflaging, camouflaging the color. This is light green. Okay, the camera need to focus on this. Okay, now it's focused. This is also, I think this is kind of camouflaging. If the color was a little dark, you could have not seen this color if it is here. So yes, we have this kind of color. Last and final, we have yellow. Let's color. Alright guys, so this is the way how I'm going to color. I might start by coloring yellow, and then I will just blend it with light green, and I'll blend it again with dark green. Or maybe I'll start with the other way. Maybe I'll start yellow here and then light green and dark green. So I'm going to choose one way where I'm going to color, so I'll be back. Time to color. A quick update and a quick thing I want to say is, please use the leftover paper you took to cut it. I have taken this paper because if you are coloring this side of the page, should be very careful, because if you are coloring accidentally will reach here, which is not good, which will be shabby. So I prefer you guys to take some kind of paper and put it on top so that it won't make it dirty. Done with yellow, and I have to go next is light green. This is the difference. Okay, you guys are getting confused. Alright, why don't we just do it like really quickly? So 3, 2, 1. There we go. I'm done with light green. The camera is not showing the correct green, but in the camera it's a little darker color, but if you look here real life, it's really light color. So I don't know if I'm trying this how dark it will be, but yes, let's turn on the torch for a bit and let's go with the next color. All done. So I finished with the 3 colors. This is what they look. They look little, I know there are like space around it, and I purposely left it because when we are sticking the stickers, I don't want to like waste all the colors, so it's like unnecessary when you're just coloring perfectly and on top already you're sticking. So yeah, this is the final result. I was making like a small stand out of this, but anyway, this is what I did and this is what I got after colored. And now we are going to add some stickers. So I'll be adding some stickers here, 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 or maybe here. So let's start. This is a quick update. These are the stickers I'm going to stick in this. Alright, I'm going to start by sticking these stars. Starfish, not stars, sorry, starfish. I have, this is actually equal because as you guys can see here, I have a very big starfish and a small green starfish. Again, a big and small blue starfish, big and small yellow starfish. So I'm going to stick. Satisfying. So satisfying. Okay, focus. 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 Look at that, it's a peel off. So satisfying. I'll show it again when I'm doing the rest of it. Alright. This is another satisfying peel. Okay, this is gonna be focused. Just need to get on camera focused. Right. This is another one. This is another one. Time for these star, I don't know what is this, to come out. Oh. I have another one which is currently green in color. I know you guys can see like a little sneak peek on what is happening here. And I'm going to show the entire one. I'll show after I stick everything. Alright guys, so I'm currently covering that page. This is a small sneak peek, that's all. So I thought because like after I finish this, I cannot take a pen or a pencil or a sketch pen and write Happy Mother's Day. So instead of that, I got a really good idea where I can use a scratchbook paper and I can take I can cut a small piece and I can like in that I can draw Happy Mother's Day and I can write it on it and also I can stick it. So I'm going to take a small piece and stick it and I'm going to cut it. Alright guys, this is my final result. I have used this stick which it came along with it and I've used it to take a half of it and it's like a small piece and I cut it all together and I wrote it. And now I'm going to stick with the hot glue gun because I don't want to stick with cello tape because it will show and it'll be like whenever I have to remove it will be shabby. So like from a entire paper, I have cut only till this much to get all this. So like this entire line was cut into small pieces so you can get this. So time to stick. Oh yes, sneaky peek. Alright guys, so I finally sticked the entire Happy Mother's Day on the page, the first base of the page. And as we are done with it, I'm going to open it. Okay, you guys cannot see the entire stuff, that's why I just did it. Okay, the outside of this, it's done. I'm going to leave this page blank because this will get even thicker if we add something. And also there is like, if I draw with the sketch pen, then outside of the crayon will be showing. So I'm going to leave this page simple and like that itself. And let's decorate this part. So I'm going to go ahead and design this entire page by sketch pens and colors and everything. And I'll see you guys once I finish decorating everything on that page, second page. Alright guys, so guys, this is what I wrote. And instead of drawing and all, I have wrote something. Here is all thing, and yes, if you noticed it, I have wrote this in rainbow color, and I have dark green, light green, yellow, orange, red, dark pink, light pink, purple, dark blue, light blue, and then I'm done with it. You see close, you can see that's dark color. Alright, so we are done with this page, and now we're going to do the last and final page where I'm going to write the thank you, and here I'm also going to use these sequence kind of crafts materials you will get at school. So guys, over here I have a thread. I have taken a thread. Just kidding, it's not a thread, but it looks like a thread. So at the last page I thought of thanking my mom because, and also I'm using this. So I thought of recreating this. There are some moms, like whenever we tell that this outfit is tight for us, our mom helps us. She sometimes help us, and she removes the buttons, she removes that thread of it, and she cut it. And our mom stitches clothes for us. So I thought of recreating that part. So here I actually found two buttons here, black ones, so I thought of making it, and with the help of this light color brown, I thought of taking the tip and like really lightly draw like this wavy way, so it will form like a thread. So this is representing that how our mothers always stitch clothes for us. And then I'm going to use googly eyes and some of these things and decorate at the last, and I'm going to say thank you. So I'll see you once I finish the back page. And yes, before we go, once I finish the back side of the page, I won't show you the back side. I'll start by showing the front side. Alright guys, I'm finally done with the last and final page. I know you guys are so excited to see it, so let's reveal. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. This is the page. So, okay, let it focus. Okay, now it's focused. So as you guys can see, at the first I sticked two of the green stars, and the bottom I also stick two of the blue stars, and then here I stick here and I sticked here, and then I thought it'll be plain, so I have sticked more of them. So it's a bigger one, two small and two big. And after that I went and stick these two, and then I had like other small mini fishes, so I thought of sticking it like this. Yes, this is a fish over here. And after I sticked, I have like this is also, don't think it's camouflying, this is a color. And then, and as I cannot write it with the pen or pencil, I took this and I wrote Happy Mother's Day, I love you, and I took this sea animal and I sticked it here. This is what you see overall. And when you open the next page, here I won't write anything, because if I write something with the sketch pen, then it will be like shabby written here, it will be visible here. So even though it happens or not happens, I'm very scared. And over here I wrote the entire message for my mother in rainbow order. And are you guys excited for the last and final part? This is the last final part. So let's talk about the thread. So you know, there are some mothers, especially including my mother, who always, whenever you feel like your cloth is tight, you ask your mom to fix it. So your mom stitches the clothes for you. There are some moms who actually make clothes for you. So to show that, I had these buttons with me, so I thought of recycling them, and I had a brown color, so the tip of them I just draw like this, so it will look like realistic thread on it. So we have two buttons and we have thread on it. And then I wrote here thank you for everything in a different way, handwriting, and then I just drawed a cloud. And here I have these thermocol balls, you can see. I made orange here and dark pink here, and with the help of dark red and normal red, this is red, not orange, I drew many hearts. So guys, this is the final result. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video and got some inspiration. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Stay safe and stay home. Bye guys.